Hello YouTubers, this is Chikodzi. I'm here in the studio with my good friend Dylan Gwatizo. I'm going to take a look at the song Mazuva Ose Makatendeka. It's a common song, so the progression is simple. So first I'm going to run through it and then come back and break it down for you guys. So that's all to the song, and there's this part where it says Makatendeka, Makatendeka. It's just the same thing. You'll be playing your one, your it's just a 1, a 4, a 1 over 5, a 5, then back to 1. So the first chord, if you're a beginner, you play something like this. This 6 chord. So on my left hand I have E flat, I have B flat, then I have E flat, I have G flat, I have B flat, then I have C sharp on top. So if you've noticed, what I'm playing is I'm playing an F sharp chord on my right hand, then I have an E flat minor chord on my left hand. From there we then we go to this chord. On my left hand I'm playing octaves. This is F octave. Yeah. So you can play something like let us do this. So from your 6 to this chord, I have F octaves, then I've also incorporated this D flat. Then on my right hand I have a 5 chord. This is a 5 chord, this is just an inversion. This is my 5 chord, so I'm holding it like this. So to my 2 chord, to my 3 chord, 4 chord, 1 over 5, 5, then back to 1. So this is simple. As I've told you guys, I'm not gonna put much effort in explaining these codes, names. I'm just going to be using number systems. So once again, if you don't know your number system, in F sharp this is your 1, this is your 2, this is your 3, your 4, your 5, your 6, your 7, then your 8. So I'll be using number system. So 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 over 5, then a 5, back to 1. That's all. Then this part where it says Makatendeka, you'll be playing this all the time. If you're an advanced guy, you don't necessarily have to play this. Yeah, you can, or you can do this. You can do something like so. Instead of this, you can do to this 1 at 9. So it's this chord, so let me leave it. Let me try to find another one what I can use, taking me to my 2. So you can do this, you can do something like this, then your 1, then your 3, then your 2. So So what I'm doing is from here, 3-6-2 or a 6-2 movement, 6-2 movement, not this diminished movement. You can do so to my 1, then to my 6, then to my 2. Then from my 2 I go to my 3 chord, which I can play this chord. So I can do a 4 chord. This is a 4 chord, which is B, E flat, G flat, B flat, B, and this. So from this to this to this to 6 to 2 to 4 to 3, then to my 4 chord. So from you can also do this at this point. So yeah. That's all to the song. And this part where it says Makatendeka, you can do this, or you can do this. Yeah, the other thing that you have to know about passing chords, guys, you don't have to rest on the passing chord, like, because it carries a lot of tension, a lot of dissonances. So you probably have to do a quick move there, so that you don't sound like you are off key or you are playing something else. So it's like from then where did we go? So from 1 we did a 6, then a 2, 3, then so you notice it's quick. It's because I want to go to my 4 chord. I don't just want to spend much time on this 3. So what I can do is I'm playing a grace note on my right hand. So I'm playing E flat, G flat, then A sharp, then I have C sharp, then E flat, then G sharp. But what I'm doing with my E flat is I'm playing a grace note here, so leading me to the E. So still, when you're on a 4 chord, you can also do this, or you can play your 2 chord as diminished. This is just a diminished stride. This is my G sharp diminished in root position. This is just an inversion, what I'm playing. So you can do then a 1/5, then a 5, then a 1. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ruokoro Music Academy. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button.